Hey, Chris.
Hello, how are you?
Good. It's me, Rosanna. It's like coming to you live from Glen Eden. What are we on? Zoom land, and you can introduce yourself and your mahi to your new adoring fans out there in Instagram world.
Whakalawhalawe my name's Van Doren, Niuean, Samoan and Dutch, and I was brought up in Aotearoa. Yeah, is that all you need to? That's it, we're finished.
You know, we're not letting you get away with it that easily, young man. Tell us about your creative process during your Tautai Fellowship residency.
Ooh, creative process. Yeah, coffee first.
Coffee
first, yes indeed. Yeah, I just work on several pieces at a time. Try juggle my son and the family.
What mediums are you using? What materials?
For this one, I'm using some swamp kauri. Yeah, that I've had to me by Chris Anna, my partner's grandfather from up north. So yeah, some native goodies and a bit of stonework and just other things that I've started since the other lockdown.
In your work, some of your works are huge. So have you had to kind of scale down your sort of what you're making, or?
You can't really start the grinder up down here because the neighbour's washing gets covered in dust. Yeah, so sailing down.
So what is one word that describes your work?
One word. Star Wars.
That's two. Oh my gosh, yes, I can totally see Star Wars in your work. It's galactic.
Yeah, galactic. Kind of watched Star Wars when I was young about 50 times on a beta video, and yeah, that was my inspiration then.
Oh my gosh. I think we must be pretty close in generations. I've still got my my R2-D2 and my C3PO is still my most treasured possessions. How important is it to showcase the lived experience of Moana artists?
Very important, I'd say, to inspire others to mahi gaan, and I suppose not just Pacific, the whole genre, different breeds, and yeah, get out there and do it, eh? Big shortage of sculptors out there. We're like the old dinosaurs.
I know, we're the old Star Wars.